Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making a carrot cake cupcake video, and this video was inspired by another YouTuber. Definitely gonna leave the channel in the link below. So if you guys are interested for this video, then let's get started. So to get started, we are going to go ahead and crack in 3 large eggs in the bowl. Then after that, you want to continue stirring. And then after that, we are going to go ahead and add in a cup of brown sugar. And we're going to stir until everything looks nice. And then you're going to go ahead and add in 1 cup of oil. This is vegetable oil. So after stirring for about a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and add in some vanilla extract. This is about 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then we're going to add in a 1/3 cup of yogurt as well. And continue stirring. So now we are going to go ahead and siphon our dry ingredients. So I'm going to go ahead and add in 2 cups of flour, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. So next we're adding in a 1/2 teaspoon of ginger powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of clove, a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And we're going to go ahead and sieve everything together. So after sieving, we are going to go ahead and mix all our ingredients together, as you guys can see over here. Our next ingredients, after mixing, we are going to go ahead and add in our pineapple. This is grated pineapple, and that's 1 cup of pineapple. And the final ingredient is going to be our carrots. So this is about 2 medium-sized grated carrots. And after mixing everything, we are ready to add in some pecans. So that's about 1/3 cup of pecans crushed, and you want to continue mixing. So now that everything is well mixed, we are going to go ahead and start portioning it out in our baking pan. So I'm using a jumbo muffin pan. I don't know what size this is, but it's a jumbo. So to scoop the butter into the muffin pans, we are going to use a 3 ounces scooper, and this is going to help me portion out right. I added a little bit of oil on the scooper, and I'm doing 2 portions in each. So the baking time for these muffins is at 350 Fahrenheit for about, 25 minutes all the way to 30 minutes. If you need more, just add another 5 minutes, and that's how they look like. Now we're going to move on to making our icing. So for my cream, I'm starting out with 1 stick of butter, and this is room temperature, and I'm going to go ahead and mix it. So after mixing our butter together for a little bit, we are going to go ahead and add in our 6 ounces of cream cheese. And then after cream cheese, you want to go ahead and add in some vanilla extract. And this is going to be about 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And you want to continue mixing. So after mixing for a while, I went ahead and, just use my spatula to make sure that, everything is well mixed. Because sometimes when you're using a stand mixer, if you don't use a spatula to help you scoop the bottom parts, you are going to end up with non-mixed ingredients. And that's what I've noticed. I wish it was like a little longer, but, that's just the way it was made. I love it because it's easier to use. So after, making sure that, my ingredients are well mixed, I went ahead and continue mixing everything. And then our last ingredient is going to be 3 cups of powdered sugar. And when I mixed it until it was smooth to my liking. So guys, every ingredient that I'm using, I'm going to leave it in the description below. And, I just want to say thank you for those who are watching, for those who are subscribing. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. So now that we are done making our icing, we are going to go ahead and, add our icing to our muffins. Guys, I do not know how to decorate, and for this icing, I don't think it was thick enough. So I did try and attempt to, you know, go ahead and put it on my muffins. But over here, I'm just showing you guys how the muffins look like. These were the best muffins I ever tasted. The recipe was so good. Of course, I'm going to leave everything in the link below so you guys can know the original video person. And I did not use the exact measurements because when it comes to sugar and when it comes to certain ingredients, I'm kind of like, you know, try my best to not eat too much sweet stuff. So I'm always, you know, basically improvising as well as, you know, condensing certain things. I was just inspired and I thought her cake was moist and I wanted to try it. So I liked the video and, you know, I like the muffins and they were so good. Of course, I don't know how to decorate. That's okay because I just love, you know, to bake, and hopefully, you know, God willing, I'm able to, you know, become a little better, because that's, you know, one of my dreams, to improve my icings. Okay, so but anyway, I just wanted to share this recipe with you guys because it was definitely delicious. I love to film even whenever I, you know, think that, you know, I'm just, you know, messing around, because sometimes the recipes do come out, you know, really good that you want to share the recipe with other people. So now that we added our icing, we are going to top it up with a little bit of shredded carrots, and that's how it looks like. So right over here, guys, I'm just showing you how the cake looks inside. This muffin cake was like really moist and it was really good. It was very delicious. I hope you guys, you know, give this video a thumbs up, and of course, I'm definitely going to leave the original cake in the link below. And I just want to say thank you for those who are subscribing, for commenting, and I will see you next time when I make something new. Bon appetit. Bye.
This is actually good. Wow.